Witches and ghosts, zombies and goblins, all lurking around Halloween, a fearsome, scary holiday. Everyone is scared, dressing up as ghosts, witches and all those icky things. Cats, pumpkins, everywhere to be seen. One of the most greatest holidays. Unlike two men that just think Halloween's a normal day. Our first story begins here. Typing on the computer while eating Smarties Mini. The ones I got from Trick or Treat, even though I don't care about it. No. Let's look at our friends. The Cone of 1, Mario 89, Nothing, P, Fred Vian, Charles Lott, Trasnari, and Super Trip. And how does it continue? Never mind. Luigi? What? Did you eat the last Smarties Mini that was left in the kitchen just for the guests? What guests? The guests that are going to be arriving here, Jesus. What? Today's Halloween. I don't know why these guests want to come just on a normal day. They're so excited on this day. A lot of people are excited. I mean, it's Halloween. But what is Halloween? It's just people dressing up as icky stuff and going around freezing themselves, asking for candy. I mean, isn't it easier to put out a gun and then show it to the people? They give us all their candy? Well, isn't it a little what hooligans do? No, it's what violent people do. Besides, you're violent. You do have a point there. But never mind. Big Plush Mario was freaking out all day because of Halloween. No, because of something that happened. What? Yeah, he's been freaking out for, I don't know, the whole day. I mean, yeah. Oh, so he didn't go trick-or-treating? No. Oh well. Guys! Terrible news! Here he goes again. Oh, guys! You just have to. We really want you to leave. Yeah. No! Mario, you don't understand! What? I haven't got the chance to tell you the worst thing ever! What? Smithy. He told me that his best fighter... What? He passed away. What? Dun, dun, dun. You mean he died? Oh, don't be silly, Luigi. It's true, guys. It's true. He died. I don't know from what he died, but it's just that he died. Yeah, he died. Yeah, died. And I'm freaking out, so we gotta go talk to Smithy. He's been asking me for and begging me to ask you guys to come. No problem. Good, I'll take you to him. Guys, I got terrible news. About what? Guys, I'm serious. This is the worst news you will ever hear. I told you guys! Shut up. Guys, you will believe me now, right? Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay then. Plush Gorilla is, well, dead. What? Oh my God, Luigi! Again with your what? It's so fake! My God, Luigi, you're so stupid. What if it's really real? Mario, it is. Oh yeah? Then let me show you something for a quick sec. All this red on this towel is blood. Blood. No, it's just a red towel. I can give you that. Guys, it's true. If you don't believe me, guys, see for yourself. Oh my God! Ah! What? What? Huh? What is that? You call that dead? Oh my God! That's so retarded. What? Are you out of your mind? But Mario, it's true. It's not a fake. It is a fake, Smithy. No. Oh yeah? Then prove it. It's real, Mario. Believe him. Only if I hear some evidence. If you want evidence, I can give you it. Listen closely. When I was walking in the bathroom, like a normal man, I was la-la-deeing the whole time. La-la-dee, la-la-dee, la-la-dee-dee-dee-dee. But then, I saw something that even you guys would get scared. I saw a box. But within the box, I looked in it. There was a body in there. When I looked down, I just found out that was... Din, 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 din! Ah! Then I found out that it was his body stuck. What the beep was that? I don't know. If you don't believe me, Mario, then just leave. Leave us, me, Luigi, Caddy, and Big Plush Mario on the crime investigation. I'll come along too, just to make sure what it was. Yeah. Someone shoved it in and just killed him. Wait, do you hear that? Hear what? I heard it. I hear it again. What? Oh. What? What the? Do. Bowser! You stupid guy! Bowser! Dang! You're so stupid, Bowser! What did I do? You killed! Now I believe, Smithy, you're the guy that killed it. Are you even listening to me? What are you talking about? You killed! I killed no one! So where was exactly the place he died? You found him. The bathroom. Were you in the bathroom when Smithy was there? Well, no, I wasn't. Well, screw you. If he wasn't in the bathroom with you, then yeah, he couldn't have. So you'll come with us on the crime investigation, Mario? Yeah, whatever. Okay, everyone, now that we're all gathered around, we must think of something we must ask most of the people in this house. Like what? Oh, I don't know, like if they went to the bathroom or something. Don't you think that's a little... Yeah, I know. Wait, I think I know the solution. When did you exactly go to this, to the bathroom? Well, it was 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So the question we're looking for is, when did you go to the toilet? I mean, bathroom or whatever. Don't you think that's a shut up, Kitty? It's a good idea. Okay, we just gotta go ask most of the people in this house, when did they go to the toilet? If we find an answer, 12 o'clock, then we must ask him something else, okay? Yep. Let's go and ask the people. Okay, I found all of you just for one important thing. I am going to ask you, when did you go to the bathroom? And if you say 12 o'clock, one of you, then we will see that you are the subject. These are going to be my substitutes. And I am here. Okay, we get it, Mario. Oh, okay. So, let's get this started, shall we? Okay. So, time for question number 1. No. Whatever. Okay. When did you go to the bathroom? 10:30. Objection! He said, he's been thinking. No, I've been not. I was not. No! Everyone, stop this nonsense. It's so stupid. Okay. Beep you. 10:30, eh? Okay. Donkey Kong, he says 20. Aha! Objection! I found out that there is no 20 on a clock, so you must be the subject. Wait a minute. No, I think you're not. We gotta ask the others. Yoshi? 10 o'clock. Right. 10 o'clock. Cooper? Plush Cooper? Oh, Sleeping Beauty? When did you go to the bathroom? 2 months ago. Wow. Okay, and Cupcake, which is not even in our episodes, but yeah. Cupcake, when did you go to the bathroom? I went at 11:30. Huh. Donkey Kong's the subject! I guess the toilet would be useful right now, eh, Mario? That stinked, Luigi. Sorry. Right! Donkey Kong is our subject. Time for another question. Okay, guys, we found Donkey Kong is our subject for now, so we gotta know who did it, so come on. Work, guys. It's one of these guys. Those are the only guys that... Oh, shut up, Mario. Okay, let's see here. What did it smell like in the bathroom? Vanilla ice cream. Oh, I love vanilla ice cream. Yeah, I like it, especially with the sprinkles on it. Never mind, we're in a crime scene. Very well. So if it's vanilla ice cream... Haha. Where are you all going? We're going home? No. We're going to ask you if you ate vanilla ice cream or you smell like vanilla ice cream.